Okay, so today we're going over this 2015 BMW M3 sedan. This vehicle is wrapped in satin chrome orange. Absolutely stunning color. Gives a little pearlescent effect to it too. But a quick walkover around it, describing what the video is. And this vehicle is available for sale. 2015 very well option vehicle. It is fully loaded, factory option carbon ceramics. In really good condition. Doesn't look like this car hadn't seen any track days. The wheels are in great condition, no garbage on them. Walk over the body. Body seems pretty ding free. Driver's side, pretty good condition. Wrap seems to be done professionally, very well done. All the door jambs are done too. We'll see that when we open the doors. Back driver tire, wheel. Got a little dirt there pulling in, but no garbage on this wheel as well. So this is a full bolt-on vehicle with lots of carbon bits on it, carbon roof, carbon side skirt extensions, carbon spoiler, carbon rear diffuser, active Autowerks exhaust. This does have a catless downpipe on it. There's one nick right here in the wrap. Passenger rear wheel. Again, no garbage. Wheels are in really good shape. The color of the vehicle underneath is alpine white. Also has front carbon spoiler as well, and carbon mirror caps. So this is a full bolt-on vehicle. Another nick right there. Full bolt-ons, which is downpipes, exhaust, Burger Motorsports, charge pipe, intakes, and it also has a methanol injection kit as well. It's a pretty quick car. Let's go over the modifications. Burger Motorsport intakes, BMS charge pipes, methanol injection right there. Let's pop the trunk so I can show you the kit. There we go. There's your tank. But overall, the vehicle's in very clean condition. I'll go over the interior. Seats are in really good condition too. These light up when you open the door. So 29,000 miles on the car. So given the seats are going to be pretty good condition, no rips and tears in the seat. Driver's side looks pretty good. Door panel is in good condition as well. Back of the seat. Let me turn the flash on so you can see better. Ooh. Well, the battery's too low, so. Alright. Rear seats, also in great condition. Doesn't look like this car ever saw any kids or any pets. And non-smoker vehicle as well. Door panel looks good. Let's check out the passenger front. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's crank up the car. Okay. That's parking brake. All the doors are open. That's what the caution is on for. Vehicle info, vehicle status, check control messages. That's all it is. Hood open, door open, door open. But it does have backup camera. Well, like you can't see the 360 because the doors are open. So there's your rear view camera. Works. Exhaust sounds pretty good. It's not super loud. Engine sounds very healthy. Low mileage 2015 BMW M3, full bolt-ons, methanol induction kit. There he goes. You can see the Alpine white underneath the hood. Oh, let me go over the door jambs. As you can see, the door jambs have been completely wrapped, and the doors, so you do not see any white when the doors are open. This goes for back as well. And trunk jambs are wrapped as well, so there's nothing that sticks or shows through when the trunk is closed. If you have any questions, please feel free to message us. 2015 M3.